Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Joy Fuller, the chief crafter for the JoyfulDesignz brand. And so I am hopping on here right quick just to let you guys know that tomorrow I will be uploading a DIY to the channel. I've already completed, I think, 4 DIYs over the weekend, and I just need to edit those. But then, guys, I am actually working on my journals for 2024. These will be rolling out on October 14th. I will be debuting my 2024 collection at the pop-up shop that will be held in Lexington, North Carolina, during my best friend's pop-up shop. The reason why I'm looking away is because I am laminating these myself. These images were created using artificial intelligence. No one else will have this design unless you purchase it from me. Look at that. Tell me that's not fire. She's so pretty. So I will be having like 15 of these for sale. And then I have other designs as well that I will be rolling out. Something dropped. But yeah, guys, ignore all this on the the shirt. I'm just working, trying to get this stuff together. So this is another thing that I have decided to incorporate under my JoyfulDesignz brand, and I'm excited about this. And then I have one other thing that I think I'm gonna go ahead and roll it out at the end of the year, but you're gonna have to stay tuned for that. If I decide to roll it out in October, I will bring it to your attention. But as for right now, I just wanted to let you guys know that I will be debuting my 2024 collection of journals. They will be 120 pages, 60 pages front, and 60 pages back, so 120 total pages. Again, this is one of them. And again, these images I created using AI, and no one else will have these images but the person to which buy them from me. So that's one good thing. So I'm excited about that. I have other images, but right now I'm in the process of laminating these. Yes, I do all the lamination, all of the putting the spiral rings on them and everything. This is a one-woman show, but hey, I get the job done, and I have like good returns on these. I've actually gifted some of these to my co-workers, and they have nothing but good things to say about them. And I actually gifted a Taylor Swift one to my former employee. So yeah, guys. So if you want to purchase one, just shoot me an email at designs with a Z, joyful@gmail.com. The cost of these are $23, and it does not include shipping. So $23 plus the cost of shipping. And yeah, so if there's nothing else, these will be uploaded to my website as well. They will be also uploaded to Amazon. So if this is something that you are interested in purchasing, again, just contact me at designsjoyful@gmail.com, or head on over to my website at www.joyfuldesigns.com or on amazon.com. All right, guys, until the next DIY, which will be tomorrow, have a good night. Bye.